Assalamu alaikum students. As you all know that we have started chapter number 5, that is solid, liquids and gases. We have discussed about the solids and liquid, how these molecules are arranged in solids and how the molecules are arranged in liquids. We have learned the definitions of matter and solid and liquid as well. Matter, anything which is occupy space, which has weight and occupy space is called as matter. Things which have a definite shape and volume, they are known as solids, and things which do not have a definite shape and easy to flow, these are known as the liquid. We have discussed the example of solid, liquid and gas. So now solid and liquid. So now we are moving forward to the next one, that are gases. So what are the gases? As you all know that these are the in this left side of your screens, you can see clearly the molecules of gas. They are too far apart. You can see it very clearly. Every molecule, this circle basically indicates one molecule of a gas. So these molecules you can see are very far apart, so that's why these gases can move freely. So students, any one of you can, beside breathing, any one of you can tell us an example of gas you are using in the daily life. Yes, Abdullah, you can give us one example of gas which you use in the daily life. Any example beside breathing? Beside breathing, tell one example of gas, Abdullah. Yes.
टीचर गैस के बारे में बताएं।
गैस की एक एग्जांपल देनी है, जैसे मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम बताया था कि ब्रीदिंग, जैसे हम सांस लेते हैं तो बेसिकली हम अपने अंदर गैस लेके जाते हैं और उस गैस का नेम है ऑक्सीजन। तो इसी तरह कोई और गैस है जो हम किसी फॉर्म में गैस यूज करते हैं और वो जो है स्प्रेड ऑल ओवर हो जाती है। कोई एक एग्जांपल मैंने पूछी है। यस जोहा वांट टू से? यस जोहा।
Teacher, we use gas to make food.
We use gas to
Make food.
no in in
Yeah,
stoves you
aslan-
in stoves, yes, we can
Yes.
use gas. Good example, good example. Another one.
टीचर
uh,
आई कैन टेल।
uh, Alifia, you are going to tell us. Alifia, fastly tell us, give an example of gas where we use gas. Alifia is not giving the answer, so Abdul Subhan will tell us.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Walaikum assalam. Yes, Abdul Subhan, tell us where we use gas. एक तो स्टोव में होगी, एक ब्रीथिंग में होगी, और कहाँ यूज करते हैं गैस?
एक ब्रीचिंग में है और एक स्टॉविंग में है। ये मेरे भी यही दो आंसर थे वैसे तो।
फिर भी सोच लें।
अच्छा, मैं आपको
अब मैं कॉमन
सोच
एग्जांपल दूं गैस के मॉलिक्यूल्स की। कॉमन एग्जांपल इज दैट यू मोस्टली ऑफ यू यूजिंग द रूम फ्रेशनर, करते हैं ना सब। सो उसमें जो बेसिकली हाउ दिस फ्रेगनेंस स्प्रेड ऑल ओवर इन द रूम, वो कैसे स्प्रेड करती है? बिकॉज उसको आप एक छोटे से एरिया में जो है अगर प्रेस करते हैं तो उसकी स्मेल लेटर ऑन फॉरवर्ड कर जाती है फुल रूम के अंदर। तो जैसे वो गैस एयर फ्रेशनर की स्मेल पूरे रूम के अंदर हमें खुशबू आना शुरू हो जाती है ना, सिमिलरली दीज गैस can spread all over in your room in the container where we kept. So again I'm telling, these molecules of gas are very far apart and there is a lot of space between these molecules, and with the presence of space, these gas molecules move freely in all direction. Like I have given you the example of air freshener, like these molecules are moving in the room, so you can feel a beautiful fragrance in around you. So like these um, solid and liquid, The gases do not have any definite shape. They also do not have any definite volume like solid and liquid. So these all gases are must be contained in the closed container. And here is also an example. You have seen the hot air balloons. In the hot air balloons, the part of the hot air balloon that is filled, here is a gas inside which is going to fill here. So this gas is very useful to fly the hot air balloon. So moving forward to the next, you can see that these are the three states of matters. And the three states of matter you have all know that these are solid, liquid, and the gas. And in solids, we know that they have a definite shape. Solids have a definite volume, and all the in all the pictures you can see clearly these their molecules of solids are very closely together. In liquids, they do not indefinite means do not definite shape, उनकी proper shape नहीं होती है, and a definite volume, but they are having a volume. Particles are not close together, and gas have an indefinite shape means not proper shape, and indefinite volume not a proper volume. So particles of gas are very far apart, and that's why gas can move freely. Next are the states of no, Abdul Saban, kindly mute yourself. First, I will explain. State of matters are interchangeably. Interchangeables mean they can be converted from solid to liquid, liquid to solid, or liquid to gas, or gas to liquid. How these states of matter will be changed? They can be changed either by heating or either by cooling. Two processes are there. Some for converting these states of matter. Either we can either give them heating or either give them the cooling effect. So in your screens you have seen that there are three different states of water. First is that, as you all know, that the solid state of water is known as the ice, it's solid. And the second state of water is liquid, that we drink, the water we drink is in the liquid state. And the third state of water is a water vapors or the steam, that is a form of a gas. So as you all know that when we provide, here you can see heating. So when we provide heat to the ice, definitely ice is a solid. When we provide heat, this solid ice is going to change into a liquid water. And after that, when we boil this liquid water, again we provide the heat. When we boiling, it gives us a heat, and after heating, these water becomes into change into water vapors, that are the gas. So when we convert these water vapors into liquid, we give the cooling effect. So these are the different procedures by which we can give the cooling and the heating effect. So when we are going to change this liquid water into solid, we do cooling here. So these are some process required heating, and some processes required cooling. So these are the three states of water, and we convert each of these state of water into another. Again, as I told you, when we first I told you about heating and cooling. So when we provide ice heat into liquid, the process is known as the melting. सॉलिड स्टेट से लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट होने के लिए जो जो प्रोसेस होता है, द प्रोसेस विच चेंज द सॉलिड स्टेट इनटू लिक्विड इज नोन एज द मेल्टिंग. Next, the process in which water when again change into gaseous form, this process is known as boiling. Next, this process when the gas is going to be converted, here you can see arrow sign means they are changed into this state. So this gas is going to be converted into liquid state. The process is known as condensing or condensation. And next, when this liquid water is going to be cool, change into solid state, this process is known as freezing. So first two processes that are showing in your screen, which are in red color, in these procedures they need the heat, and in last two procedure where you can see these two blue writing, these two procedures need the cooling effect. So here in detail and also with the example, what is the melting? When a solid is heated, it's melt and change into ice. I have given you the two examples. First one is that, as you all know, that in the summer season, you eat whenever you eat the chocolates in a hot environment, it suddenly start melting and change into liquid state. So the process is called melting. When you burn a candle, so the melting of candle wax is also indicate the process of melting. So students, any one of you can give me the example of melting now beside these two? Yes, Mubara, you are going to tell us any example beside these two?
Teacher, can I tell?
No, Soha, Mubara is going to tell us the example beside these two. There is one for melting. I have explained the two examples, that melting of a chocolate and melting of a wax. So another example of melting you are going to share with us.
Melting of cake.
Melting of cake?
Yes, teacher.
How the cake melt, Mubara? If the cake is in ice cream cake, then definitely it should be melted. But you can't say that cake is going to be melted. Yes, Zoha, you can tell us.
Teacher, ice.
Yes, ice. As I explained you in the earlier, that is changed into
Teacher.
liquid state. Yes. Who is the next one? Yes,
Teacher,
Alithia.
can I tell? Teacher. Teacher, can I tell?
Yes. Yes, Alithia.
Teacher, butter. Butter.
Yes.
Teacher.
Good. Good.
Teacher, cream.
Yes.
Cream. Butter.
Alithia, your example was very good and excellent.
Teacher,
Definitely,
ice
students,
cream.
listen. Yes, ice
Teacher,
cream
ice
also
cream.
melt. Yes,
Teacher,
good.
cream.
Yes, I have seen. Yes, Anab, your example.
टीचर क्रीम टीचर क्रीम को जब हम जमाते हैं तो उसके बाद जो मेल्ट होती है टीचर चीज
Ice cream was an, yes, cheese also melt. These are the different examples. So now you can mute yourself and we are moving forward to the next example, that is evaporation. How this evaporation is that when the procedure when a liquid is heated, again heat is provided there. Students, kindly mute your mic. When I recall the student name, only he or she is be able to unmute himself or herself. So student, when a liquid is heated, it's changed into a gas or water vapors. You can see in this picture when the water is going to be boiled. Here is, you can see a smoke there. This is a steam. So this process is known as evaporation. In the oceans, you can see it very clearly from where this liquid is going to be heated, from the sunlight. From this sunlight, the heat energy is giving to the water, and in the result of water, the water is going to be uprise in the water vapors, and they are then stored into the form of the clouds, and after that rain is going to be fall. So this is a method of evaporation. So have you ever seen students evaporation in any other activity? Yes, Jana, give us an example of one evaporation
टीचर can I
beside
tell?
this. Yes,
Can I
yes,
tell?
you are.
टीचर
Yes, Jana.
in water cycle
Yes, you can say that. Next, Filza is giving the example. One more example of evaporation, Filza. नहीं आ रहा तो मैं बताऊं.
यस टीचर
अब जैसे कि जब हम वो जो क्लोथ्स को ड्राई करने के लिए हम जब सनलाइट में एक्सपोज करते हैं तो वहां पे इवेपोरेशन नहीं हो रहा. कपड़ों का पानी कहाँ जाता है? floor पता नहीं आता, they evaporate in the air when the sunlight is going to be fall on that cloth, so this water is going to be evaporate. इसी तरह जब हम किसी कपड़े को गीला करके उसके ऊपर आयरनिंग करते हैं तो उसमें भी कौन सा प्रोसेस हो रहा होता है, दैट इज इवेपोरेशन. So these are the two major processes we have seen in our daily life.
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes, Abdullah, you can give us an example.
Some vehicle has gases.
We can't hear you properly. Which example you have given us?
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes.
Teacher, boiling food.
Any kind of boiling, there is a heat is going to produce. Even when you boil a rice, definitely heat is steam is going to produce, evaporation is there. When you boil an egg, also steam is there. There are lot of procedure in which evaporation process of evaporation you can see.
Teacher,
Yes, Zoha.
we also boil milk sometimes.
So when you have seen the steam, when you boil anything,
Teacher,
steam which indicates this steam is Abdul
Teacher?
Subhan, wait please. So this
Teacher?
steam indicates the process of evaporation. Yes, whose student is this? Kindly tell me your name. Who is there? So the third procedure is that condensation. When gas is cooled, it's changed back into liquid. Now you can see the picture of a water
Teacher?
bottle. Then who is this? Who is creating interruption in this class while saying teacher, teacher? So students, you are you have seen a picture of a water bottle. When you keep a water bottle, a cool water bottle outside the room temperature, you have seen this, there is a gas is going to be produced, and after that you can see these tiny droplets on the outer side of the bottles. Everyone has seen that. So this is a process of basically condensation through when the it can be when you drink a cold drink. A similar thing is going to be happen with that glass. This glass, yes, Zoha, you are going to tell us another example.
Yes, teacher, when we fill cold water in glass, it also happens the same thing.
Yes, it also happens the same thing. So this process is known as a condensation. Even many of the students has bring the water bottle in the school. So in your water bottle, when the water is too cold, you can also see these tiny droplets on your water bottles. When the water is start becoming to the warm, you can see these tiny droplets on the water bottles as well. So this process is basically known as a condensation when the gas is changing back into the liquid. So last process is that freezing. Freezing is a very common process, as you all know that when you keep change liquid state into freezing. This is a very common example, and you have seen in your own houses the ice cube trays. When you fill water in it and then keep this tray into the freezer, then definitely it changes back into the ice. So this is the freezing. Yes, Abdullah, you are going to tell us another example.
If we fill the water, then if we put in fridge,
Yes.
it changes into ice.
Yes, similarly, how the ice cream is going to be formed when they do the procedure, when they make the beat the ice cream, and the ice cream is in liquid form, then they keep into the different shapes and put it on the freezer, on the cooling refrigerator, then you can get the ice cream well. So these are the different procedures. So student, side by side, there are two activities that is on page number 34. In first one activity, the conclusion is that all the liquids, they are having a definite volume. So for this definite volume, you can do practice in your own home. Take a glass of water and an empty bottle. So make a mark on the glass where you fill the water, and then make a mark on the glass that the level of the water till that is yet there, and then you are going to put that water into then empty bottle. And you can also see then water can first water change take the shape of the glass, and then you can put the water into the bottle. So this bottle this water is going to the is take the shape of that bottle. So again, if you put this bottle water into the glass, you can see that the water level will remain the same. So it indicates that you can do this is a very small activity, and you can even do by yourself in your homes. Second activity is that gas takes up all the space available to them. This activity you can't perform in your own homes until unless someone without someone supervision. किसी बड़े के बगैर ये एक्टिविटी करने के बारे में सोचिएगा भी मत खुद से। इसमें आपको बताया गया कि गैस कैसे शेप लेती है। उन्होंने एक पीस ऑफ कोकोनट फाइबर का बर्न किया, बर्न करने के बाद जितना स्मोक हुआ उन्होंने कंटेनर लेके उसको ऊपर रख दिया, और उसके बाद आपने कंटेनर में देखा वो सारे उस कंटेनर के अंदर गैस ने फिल स्पेस ले ली। उसके बाद आप जब कंटेनर का लिड ओपन करेंगे तो वो सारी गैस जो है रूम में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी. सो दिस इज एक्टिविटी दैट इज गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट gases take up all the space to available to them. So moving forward to the reading, and I am going to tell those students name who do the fastly reading, as we are having very short time. So first we are going to start from Mubara. Yes, Mubara, from page number 34, activity number 1.
Take a glass of water and put a mark on the glass to show the water level. Pour the water carefully into a bottle such that no water spills out. You can see that the water has taken the shape of the bottle. Now pour the water back into the glass. Where is the water level in the glass? You will see that the water level that the mark you had put earlier, so the volume of water did not change. This shows that liquids have definite volume. Gas. Molecules in a gas are placed far apart from
Okay, thank you, Mubara. From gases, gas, Taha Imran is going to continue. Fastly, Taha Imran. Taha is not there. So moving forward to the next one, that is Abdul Subhan.
Yes, teacher.
Continue from the gases.
Okay. Gas. Molecules in a gas are placed far apart from each other. There is a knot. There is a knot of not. There is a knot of space between them, so they can freely move about in any direction. Hence, gases do not have a defined shape, nor do
Definite
they
shape.
definite shape, nor do they have a definite volume. They take up all the space around, so gases have to be kept in closed containers.
Good, Abdul Subhan. Next, moving forward to the Zainab.
Teacher.
Zainab is going to. Zainab,
Activity.
fastly.
Activity. Burn some coconut fiber or dry leaves to create a smoke. Hold a glass jar face down over it. As soon as some smoke enters the jar, cover the mouth of the jar with a lid. Place the jar on the table. What do you see? In the gas seen only at one part of the jar, or is it distributed evenly throughout the jar? Now open the lid. Does the smoke remain inside the jar? It flies away, showing that gases take up all the space available to them. States of matter
Okay.
are
Wait. Next is on page number 35. There is now you are going to fill it on your books. So first one is that molecules of are closely packed in solids. Here first one you are going to write down the solids. In the second one, molecules are not closely packed.
Liquid.
They are liquids. Third one is that molecules are placed far apart from each other. These are the gas.
चीजें पढ़ूँ आगे
Fast.
से.
Yes, Anab, continue now. I am going to turn on the page.
States of
And okay, continue.
States of matter are interchangeable. You already know that water can exist in all the three states of matter. In normal conditions, water exists in its liquid state, but when it is heated, it becomes water and exists in its gaseous state. When it is cooled, it becomes ice and exists in its solid state. Isolate, heat, water liquid, heat, steam gas. Steam gas, cool, water liquid, cool, ice solid. Like water, most other substances to change their
Okay, Zainab,
shape.
thank you. Alifia is going to continue. Yes, Alifia.
Like water, most other substances to change when they are heated or cooled. But the temperature at which they change the state is different for different substances. Solid, liquid, and gases are interchangeable states of matter. When a solid is heated, its molecules loosen up, which melts and changes into a liquid. This process is called melting.
Yes, from next page, Fatma is going to continue. Fatima. Continue from page number 36.
When a liquid is heated, the molecules become free. The liquid changes into its gas or vapor state. This process is called evaporation. When a gas is cooled, its molecules condense or come closer. The gas changes back into liquid. The process is called condensation. When a liquid is cooled, its molecules come even closer. They freeze into a close pack and turn into solid. This process is called freezing. Solubility. Take a glass of water, add 2 teaspoons of sugar and stir. You will notice that sugar disappears. If you taste the water,
Teacher? Teacher?
teacher आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Teacher?
Now you are be able to hear me?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, students. So I am going to here is your definition. You are going to do it on your classworks copies, or either you can take a screenshot of it and then you can note it down on your copies. These are the definition. You must learn it. And side by side, I am going to tell you, students, kindly complete your all work till chapter number 1 till 5. from today's lecture. All the definitions and the question answers, if you from this topic, you can complete it.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher,
Yes, Zoha.
definitions किधर करनी है?
teacher, will you take
Copy.
teacher, will you take my test today?
We are having only 6 minutes, Zoha.
Teacher, you also have to take off question answers.
Yes. And when you
Okay.
give your copies, you can learn these question answers from your notes, because notes
Teacher-
was given to you all.
Teacher, I have learned.
Okay, good, Zoha, but do the classwork as well, as we are having
Yes,
5
teacher.
definitions.
Teacher, I didn't do the definitions. I have done all the question answers, teacher, but my copy is at Nano's house. I will go today and I will bring it and then do
Okay.
definitions.
Okay, yes, Ibrahim, you raise your hand. What you want to ask, Ibrahim?
Teacher, nothing. I wanted to ask something previously, but not now. I asked it.
Okay. Yes, Abdul Subhan, what you want to ask? Abdullah, I asked, do your work fastly. Students, as we are having. Yes, Abdul Subhan.
क्या हमने पिछली डेफिनेशंस दी थी हमने वो भी लिखनी है ना जो मैटर की
Yes.
सॉनेट्स की और स्निकर्स की
Yes, these
मैंने वो
3
भी
and
लिखी है
remaining 5. Yes, from that page you can also do continuation of these definitions. First one is gas. The definition of gas is things which do not have a definite shape and volume. They are known as gas. The
ठीक है
process by which, हाँ जी,
ये मैं उसके आगे से स्टार्ट करूं या फिर नेक्स्ट पेज से डेफिनेशन
You-
लिखकर स्टार्ट करूं
you can. I already said that you can start by the end of these previous definitions.
ओके एंड ठीक है दिस इज आवर होमवर्क
Yes, you must learn these definitions.
ओके
Yes, students, 4 minutes are left. Almost 4 minutes are left. So if you are having any confusion related to today's topic, so you can ask me.
टीचर
Yes, Zoha.
टीचर हम उन वाली डेफिनेशन से आगे ही ये वाली डेफिनेशंस कर लें
Yes.
और शुड बी आल्सो डेट एंड डे और रेडी न्यू पेज
I no need to edit the new page. You can do continuation from that page.
okay and teachers then the test has marks and when should I give you test again
Again on on the next
Monday.
week. Next week. And any day I will take your text and I will remember it. 3 minutes now. Alifia, kindly turn on your cameras. Those students who turn off their cameras, kindly turn it on. Filza, you too. Mahmood, right, you too.
Teacher, I took screenshots because I don't have copy right now.
Okay, good, Zoha. You can do it later on, but complete it as fast as you can, because after
I
few
will-
days in the next week, I hope everyone has you received the copy checking details. So for the next week, I think so you are going to send your
Yes,
copies to
on
the
Monday.
school.
On Monday.
So complete your work as fast till Monday.
Teacher, I will do today. I have to go Nano's house. I will do today.
Okay. Ibrahim, have you done your work?
यस टीचर
Good, Ibrahim.
Yeah, I took the screenshot and when you were talking, I have done.
Okay, good. Only 1 minute is left, students. So do your work fastly. Those students whose work is left, they can take the screenshot of the work.
ये खत्म हो रही है, वो हो रही है।
Have you done your work, Abdul Subhan?
Teacher, I have a screenshot. I have put a screenshot.
Okay, good. So student, now few seconds are left.
Teacher, will video upload on YouTube?
Yes, definitely. This is a new, all the new chapter or the continuation of the new work. These chapters video will be uploaded on the YouTube. Not the previous one, not the review. When we do the revision of the chapters, these videos are not going to be uploaded on the YouTube. Students, few seconds are left. So after that, your video will be end. And again, I'm saying that till the copy collection of the copies,
Teacher,
you must complete your work. Yes, Abdul Suman.
you will take our copies on Monday.
You are going to send
Allah
your
Hafiz.
copy to schools.
Teacher,
Allah
how we
Hafiz.
will